Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. The cabin air filter is located under the passenger side cowling. Unclip and remove the housing panel. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1035 filter into the housing. When installing the filter, fold it down and slide the top portion into the railing. Slide the housing cover into position and press to lock it into place. Close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.